Hello everyone, welcome to this channel and today I am going to discuss a brief idea about the cranial nerves. So as the name suggests, cranial nerves, they are directly emerge from the brain, which is known as cranium and brainstem. They are of 12 pairs. The main region is from forebrain to the brainstem, that is from the front portion of the brain to the towards the back, and they are numbered from 1 to 12 depending upon the region from where they are originated or emerged. The numbering is done from forebrain, that is from forward of the brain towards the back, that is the brainstem region. The last of the nerves are situated just above the first cervical vertebra, which is known as the C1 vertebra. Now, the descriptions are as follows. First one is olfactory nerve. It is a type of sensory and afferent nerve. Now, sensory or afferent nerves are those nerves which carries information from the sensory organs towards the brain or the central nervous system. Origin, they are originated from the cerebrum or the forebrain. Function, they are responsible for the sense of smell, and they are the few of the nerves which are capable of regeneration. Next is optic nerve. It is also a sensory or afferent nerve, origin cerebrum or forebrain, and function includes visual information, carrying visual information from retina to the brain. Now, the first of the two nerves are basically originated from the cerebrum or forebrain, and the rest of them are originated from the brainstem, that is from the back portion. Now, third one is oculomotor nerve. So, it is a type of motor or efferent nerve. Now, motor or efferent nerve are those nerves which carry information from central nervous system towards the different parts of our body, basically the muscles. So, the function is the movement of eye, meiosis and maintenance of open eyelid. Number 4, trochlear nerve. It is also a motor or efferent nerve. The function includes innervation of the superior oblique muscle of our eye, which controls the rotational movement of our eye. Number 5, trigeminal nerve, which is mixed nerve, that is it is both sensory and motor nerve. Function is motor function, sensation in face and mouth. Motor function means carrying information from the brain towards the muscles of our face, and sensation in face and mouth. Next is number 6, abducens nerve, which is a motor or efferent nerve. Function is innervates the lateral rectus muscle of the eye, which controls the lateral movement of our eye. Number 7 is the facial nerve, which is a mixed nerve. Function is facial expressions, responsible for facial expressions, convey taste from or taste sensation from anterior 2/3 of the tongue and oral cavity. Convey taste to the anterior 2/3 of the tongue and oral cavity. Next is number 8, vestibulocochlear nerve, which is a sensory nerve, and the function include the transmission of sound and balance from inner ear to the brain, that is equilibrium, maintaining equilibrium and transmission of sound from inner ear towards the brain. Number 9, glossopharyngeal nerve, which is also a mixed nerve. The function is sensory information from tonsils, pharynx, middle ear, tongue, that is the carrying of sensory information from these parts towards the brain. Number 5 is vagus nerve, which is a number 9 is then glossopharyngeal nerve, which is a mixed nerve, and function is the carrying of sensory information from tonsil, pharynx, middle ear, tongue towards the brain. Number 10 is the vagus nerve, which is also a mixed nerve. Now, vagus nerve has many branches and it carries many functions, like variety of functions like controlling heart rate, peristalsis, sweating, breathing, speech, etc. Number 11, accessory nerve, which is a motor nerve. So specific neck shoulder muscles, it is responsible for carrying motor information towards specific neck muscle, shoulder muscles, etc. Number 12, hypoglossal nerve, it is also a motor nerve. The functions include movement of tongue such as speech, food manipulation, swallowing. So hypoglossal nerve supplies these muscles to carry these functions. Now, cranial nerves are the components of basically the peripheral nervous system. But in the structural level, olfactory and optic nerves and some terminal nerves are considered as the components of the central nervous system. So, this is a brief discussion regarding the cranial nerves and the 12 pairs along with their name, type, origin and function. And here I am ending my today's video. See you in my next video, and if you guys like my videos, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.